Session 3 of Module 1 of Managerial Communication of second semester BBA of Mangalore University. In this session, we shall study about the importance of communication. The learning objectives is to understand the importance of business communication. Students will be able to understand the importance of business communication after studying this session. Globalization has induced fierce competition in almost every walk of life, including business. Any organization cannot survive without an effective and vibrant communication system. There is a need for internal communication as well as external communication in an organization. Internal communication within the members working in an organization and external communication with the outside people, that is the media, customers, suppliers, and the general public. Effective communication is essential. We need to give information about the conditions in a business organization, inform about the products that are produced, and the developmental activities that are taken place. Effective communication system establishes not only perfect coordination among the staff of the organization, but also enhances its ability to make contacts with its clients, seek their orders, and comply with the same promptly. The hierarchy of communication from the top to the lower levels, from the internal people to the external clients, importance of communication, building an effective team that is within an organization, imparts everyone a voice, seed of innovation, fast remedial action, quick actions, and perfect coordination. Building an effective team from the top management to the middle and the lower level managers. When members of a team are able to communicate effectively and efficiently and exchange their ideas freely, they develop mutual trust. This results in building an effective team environment, and the work is done in a proper way so that the goals are accomplished. Effective communication imparts everyone a voice. With effective communication system in place, everyone has the possibility of expressing their ideas, views, or suggestions. It induces a sense of belonging and self-esteem. Even the lower level persons are given a chance to give their suggestions or their views. Seed of innovation. Free exchange of ideas and suggestions lead to innovations and new strategies. Quick actions could be taken, right decisions could be taken, and there is also scope for decentralization of actions. Fast remedial action. Effective communication network helps in identifying any malfunctioning or problems in the system at any level, and remedial actions or measures can be taken well in time or in advance. It boosts the growth of the organization. The problems could be solved well in advance. Perfect coordination. The total effect of all the factors described above, that is, to have a perfect coordination from the management to the lowest level, all work in unison with the togetherness, seizing every opportunity for the benefit of the organization. So the importance of communication says about building an effective team when the communication flow is in a proper way and people have understood the message, people are happy about the information given to them, and the right actions are taken at the right time. Everyone is given a chance to speak, to raise their voice, to give their opinion. People are encouraged to give their ideas, their suggestions, which give scope for innovation and better progress of the organization. Fast measures, quick actions are taken at different levels of the organization. There's a perfect coordination, a good understanding between different teams, different departments within the organization. References.